Hello everyone, and welcome to our third real-time recap, where we have the ability to discuss recent online marketing news and how they affect you. My name's Henry,
And I'm Nikki.
and let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out with some recent changes that Google has made. They made a new change to the algorithm called Unnatural Link Update of March 2012. You might remember some previous updates, the Florida update of 2003, the Vince update of 2009, and then one of the most recent ones, the Panda update of 2011. Well, this unnatural link update, it directly affects your SEO of the website much more than the past. Really, if you have not had a really good link building strategy, then this really could hurt your website rankings and you might get penalized by Google. If you are going to be penalized, Google's going to send you a message to your Webmaster Tools account. It's going to state that your website is being looked at for techniques that are outside of Google's Webmaster Tools guidelines, and you need to act accordingly. Some of the types of links you need to try to avoid are commercial link networks. These are companies that promise you to build 1,000, 100, or whatever number of backlinks for a fee to your website. Avoid them. Sites such as Build My Rank, Rank Warrior, and so on. Another thing you want to avoid are agency link networks. These are agencies that have specific blogs or websites dedicated for their clients, where they add their clients specifically for backlinks going to their sites. You want to avoid those as well. What you need to do is, if you found out you're getting penalized, figure out a way to remove your site from those websites, and then once that's completed, send a reconsideration request to Google, and then let Google see if it can be fixed or not. So remember, quick and easy link building is the past. It's gone.
In other news, there is a Facebook application that's been gaining a lot of attention recently. And that particular application is called Pinvolve. What Pinvolve does is actually creates a new tab on your Facebook page and represents your Facebook photo posts as a Pinterest board in a very Pinterest-like style. So what this particular application will help certain businesses do that have been having difficulty with integrating Facebook and Pinterest is combine the two. Directly from this particular tab, you can see the comments and the likes that the post has received, and you can actually repin that content to your own Pinterest account if you're logged in, and if you're not logged in, it'll just prompt it to do so. And the early adopters of this application have seen an increase in the repins by over 150%.
The next topic I'm going to discuss is Google Adwords. Adwords is going to automatically match for misspellings, singular and plural terms, and other variations. In the past, an experienced person managing your account did a lot of keyword research and did this themselves with their campaigns. Now, Adwords is going to automatically check for misspellings such as realty versus reality, singular and plural forms such as vacation rental versus vacation rentals, acronyms such as OBX for the Outer Banks, and abbreviations, DR for doctor. So now everything is going to be automatic. And Google says that up to 7% of search queries include misspellings. The longer the query, the more misspellings are expected. They've been doing some testing and they've seen a 3% increase in search clicks with this automatic feature on. Now the new interface is located under Campaign Settings tab. Click in Advanced Settings and then go to the Keyword Matching option. The good news is this can be turned off. The bad news is those people that used to really manage those campaigns with a lot of effort and targeted specific misspellings, those CPCs were cheaper. Now everyone's going to be in an even playing field, and there's going to be a lot higher cost for that.
Moving on, if you didn't think that Google was listening, site owners, Google has been listening a little bit. Just recently, Google has added to Webmaster Tools the user administration feature. Previously, you were able to grant full verified access to others. Now, as a verified site owner, you can grant limited access to your site's data in your settings. And you can actually determine whether or not they have two different levels of access, full or restricted. So with the full access, a user can actually view all data and take most actions, with the exception of adding or removing a user. And they can also, and a restricted user will only have access to view most information and take some actions. So Google is trying to help site owners by preventing unauthorized changes in your Webmaster Tools.
In recent Facebook news, they made some changes. Shocker. Anyway, what's going on is the profile image is now 160 by 160 pixels starting today versus the 125 by 125 pixel size. This doesn't really mean too much to you, but go ahead, check your fan page, make sure the profile picture does not have a lot of white space, and if it does, upload a larger one. If not, you're good to go.
In other Facebook news, Facebook just recently purchased TagTile after purchasing Instagram. And what TagTile is a mobile-based customer loyalty application that allows its users to check into business locations to acquire customer loyalty points. And when they do so, they can receive discounts on their next visit. So why is this important? This is important because Facebook just recently released a new offers program. And with the new offers program, directly from Facebook pages, a fan can actually click on Get Offer, and they'll be sent an offer directly to their email account associated with their Facebook account, where they can print out the email or they can bring in their mobile phone to show the offer. So what this means is that we think that with the acquisition of TagTile and also the Facebook offers release, that Facebook is going to be more integrated into the offers transition and not just be a place where Facebook offers are created. And thank you for joining us for a real-time recap. We'll hope to see you in 2 weeks.